Here, we'll focus on the items that comprise the front brake assembly. First, locate the brake lines and hoses that supply air to the brake components. The hoses and lines should be securely mounted and not leaking. Next, we need to inspect the brake chamber. This is a service brake chamber. A service brake is the brake applied by the foot pedal while driving. There's a spring brake that we'll inspect later, which is used when the vehicle is parked. A brake chamber converts the air pressure into a mechanical force to operate the wheel's brakes. The brake chamber should be securely mounted with no missing nuts or bolts, and it should not be dented or damaged. Also, check that the brake chamber doesn't have any air leaks. Over here is the slack adjuster. The slack adjuster is part of the linkage between the brake chamber and the brake shoes, which activate the brakes. A push rod comes out of the brake chamber and connects to the slack adjuster. The push rod should have no more than 1 inch of free play or movement with the brakes released. Now inspect the slack adjuster. There should be no bent, broken, loose, or missing pieces. Brakes work when the brake shoes or linings rub against the inside of the brake drum. Inspect the brake drum for cracks and dents. The drum should be free of any debris. Make sure that no oil is leaking from the inner oil seal of the wheel. We'll talk more about the seals when we get to the wheel assembly. For safe braking, the brake lining should not be cracked or broken and definitely not missing. It must be free of grease and oil. The brake lining should have a minimum of 1/4 inch of thickness for drum brakes.